How to create an account on Rocket Money. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Rocket Money. So to do that, first of all, open the Rocket Money app on your mobile device and then simply tap on the option create account. Now once you've done that, you'll have to simply select what they can help you with today. So I'll simply tap on the option lower my bills and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, you'll have to select what are your top financial goals. So it may be any one of these 8. So for now, I'll simply tap on the option I'm not sure and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter your legal first name and your last name. So enter both of those over here. Now tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to enter your email address over here. Now tap on the option continue. Now in this page, you'll have to set a new password for your Rocket Money account. So make sure that your password contains 8 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase. Simply create a password which contains all of these 4 options, and then once you've done that, if you want, you can enable Face ID, but if you don't, simply untick this box right over here. After that, you'll have to tap on the box which says I agree to the Rocket Money terms of service and privacy policy, and then tap on the option continue. Now if you want, you can simply remember your login information. So I'll tap on the option yes, remember me. And now if you want, you can tell them about yourself, but if you don't, tap on the option I prefer not to say. And now you can enable notifications, but if you don't, tap on the option skip. And now you'll have to select how you got to know about Rocket Money. So let me simply choose a random option, and there you have it. So that is basically how you create a Rocket Money account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.